How to see how many friends you have on Snapchat. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to see how many friends you have on Snapchat, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I'm going to do first is to go into my Snapchat app. And now when I'm on my Snapchat app, then I need to click on my profile picture basically in the top left corner. And in here we need to just scroll down a little bit and then we need to click where it says My Friends. So in here you will be able to see all of your friends on Snapchat, and you can even click on different letters here to the right and you will get the name of all of your friends that basically begin in that letter. And yeah, I actually recently created this Snapchat for YouTube basically, so that's why there's nobody there. It's not that I don't have any friends, so don't worry, because this is just for my YouTube basically. So yeah, this is exactly how to do it. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you a great day.